Experience the future of sound with the Blaupunkt Digital Signal Processor with Class D Amplifier, MPD 101280A. This digital signal processor is built with 10 input channels and 12 amplifier output channel in a 12 processing channels. Boasting a maximum power of 960 watts, it guarantees unparalleled performance. Its compact dimensions, measuring 254 mm by 186.3 mm by 46.7 mm, allow it to seamlessly integrate into any setup. The package comes complete with a USB cable, facilitating easy connection to your PC for tuning purposes and Bluetooth connection for music playback. Additionally, the remotes are provided, together with wire harnesses and installation screws. To provide guidance, a comprehensive user manual is also part of the package. The Blaupunkt MPD 101280A serves as a true testament to exceptional engineering craftsmanship, assuring an outstanding fusion of aesthetics and functionality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.